Hello guys, welcome back on Sopitech. I am Naveen and today we will discuss about Wordpress tools inside the dashboard. It's most important because if you want to create any types of website inside the WordPress, then firstly you need to understand that how to handle tools of WordPress. Okay, so basically it's very easy and keep patience and be continue with us and I will explain you that how you can handle it. Okay, so let's start guys. Okay guys, so now you can see this dashboard. This is the dashboards of my WordPress website swiftvisors.com. This is the social networking website. So basically you can see also these types of dashboards of your project when you will log in your WordPress WP admin panel. Okay, so basically you can see that there is the two parts divided this dashboard. The first part is inside left hand side. You can see this is the black charts. There is displaying dashboard, site kit, post, media press, these all things. Okay, so these all is called the tools, WordPress tools. And inside right hand side section, this is the dashboard page, white pages. So you can see that that this is the called output. It depends on your tools. When you will click on any tools, then these outputs will be automatically changed. Okay guys, so now I will show you that how you can change it and how you can manage this one. Okay, so basically this all tools is not important for every project. No, it depends on your project criteria, that which types of you want to create project. Okay, you can see inside there these tools, there is nothing displaying any related from Woocommerce. Okay, because Woocommerce is basically used only for creating the e-commerce website. If you want to create online shopping website, then you can use Woocommerce. But this website is using for only social media networks, just like Facebook, Instagram, this types of. Okay, so basically this is the social media types of network, so I am using only social media types of plugin. Okay, so it depends on your plugin. If you are creating any types of project inside WordPress, then it depends on your plugin. If you will install many plugins, then your tools will be automatically increased. Okay, and if you will delete or deactivate your plugin, then your tools will be decreasing. Okay, so it depends on, mostly depends on your plugins, because I will show you that how to use plugins and how you can increase or decrease these types of tools. Okay, so basically just you can see that this is the plugin. I will click on installed plugin. Okay, so now you can see. Okay, now you can see inside this plugin section, this is the plugin section. Okay, just you can see, so this plugin section is already open, and now you can see that there is installed many plugins. Just you can see this, these all is called the plugins. Okay, these all is plugins. So now you can see that there is the many types of plugin. I'm using body press and body drive, contact form 7, duplicate post elementor, form font of some Google Analytics, hello dolly, hide admin toolbar, insert header and footers, login with Ajax, media press, ninja form, really simple SS. So these types of many types of plugin. I am using many plugin, so actually my tools is increasing. Okay, so basically if I will use any another plugins, then my tools will be increased. Okay, are you getting my point? So basically now you can see, and another thing, that when I am clicking on plugins, then you can see that right hand section page, it's automatically changed. It's displaying me plugin sections. Okay, I hope you understand this one. And if you will deactivate or deleted any plugins from your plugin section, installed plugin section, then these tools will be decreased, just like I will show you. Just suppose that you can see that this is the Wpmail Smtp. I will deactivate this one. Okay, so I will deactivate this one, so you can see after deactivated that this plugin, these tools will be hidden from this tool sections. Okay, so just see on my dashboard, I will deactivate it. Just you can see this one, this is the Wpmail Smtp. Basically Wpmail SMTP is used only for mail verifications and mail delivery sections. Okay, so it's big parts of this tutorial, but I will not explain you this time that what is the Wpmail SMTP. I will make one another video on this topic, Wpmail SMTP and many types of SMTP. Okay, it's most important also for WordPress website, so I will make another video. Okay, but firstly now you can see that I will deactivate this plugin. Just you can see I am clicking on deactivate. Okay guys, now you can see that this plugin is deactivated. I can show you that this plugin will be not highlighted. Just you can see that, just you can see this one. This is the Wpmail SMTP, and now this is currently this is deactivated. Okay, because when I will click on activate, then it will be again activate on my tools. Okay, so now I will show you that inside my tools that WPM SMTP will be deactivated. Just you can see. Now you can see that there is nothing displaying related from WP SMTP because I already deactivated these tools. Okay, so one tools, you can see that one tools is automatically decreased from these all tool sections. Okay, so I hope you understand. So when you will activate or deactivate your tools or plugins, then your tools will be automatically increased or decreased. It depends on your project. Okay, so basically I am using BuddyPress. Why? Because I am creating this website for social media networks. Just like you can see, I will open this site in the next window. Just you can see. So I am using basically you can see that this is the social networking types of website. So there you can chat, you can send the friend request, or you can share anything of your thoughts or anything, you can talk also. Okay, and so this is the social networking website. You can see this one, there is the many users added from this one. Okay, now you can see that inside this plugin I am using BuddyPress. Just you can see this one. So you can see inside this section that I am using this BuddyPress and body drive also. Okay, now you can see this is the body drive. So you can see that this is the BuddyPress. You can I can show you this the settings of this BuddyPress also. It's very short times. I will take short times to show you that what is the BuddyPress. So now you can see this is the BuddyPress settings. Now you can see that there is the I am enabling many things, just like creating profile, account settings and many things. Okay, so basically it depends on your project, that which types of project you are creating. Okay, so basically if you are creating e-commerce website, then you can use Woocommerce. When you will install Woocommerce, then your tools will be automatically increased, because there will be displaying 2 points: firstly products and secondly Woocommerce. Inside Woocommerce you can manage your setting, and inside products you can add products, you can delete your products. Okay, you can handle your products, all products of e-commerce websites. Okay, so basically this is the all intro about these tools. So be careful when you using these all tools, because it depends on your plugin. So just like I want to show you one thing, just like I will go inside the installed plugin, and now you can see I already show you that my all installed plugin. Okay, now you can see that I will click on add new plugin. Okay guys, so this is the add new plugin page. You can see that there is the many plugins. You can see this is the by default displaying many plugins. You can see there is also displaying BuddyPress. Okay, and now I will search here Woocommerce. Now you can see that I am searching Woocommerce. So you can see on first one top sections you can see the word Woocommerce plugins. Okay, so basically you can see this one, this is the Woocommerce plugin. If you want to create e-commerce website, then you can use this one. Okay, I hope you understand. And when I will install this one or activate this one, then you can see on top inside this tool section there will be increased these tools. Okay, because why increase these tools? You need to understand this one, because you can handle these all plugins according to these tools. These all tools is separate. Okay, because suppose that if I am clicking on table press, just like you can see that this is the table press plugin. So inside this table press there is the also many sub tools. These all is called the sub tools. These all is called the tools. And when you hover your mouse on any tools, and if you will see many types of sub tools, these all is options called the sub tools. Okay, so suppose that I will click on table press, just like I want to show you something. Okay, just see, this is a table press. So now you can see that there is the many option, add new, import, export, plugin options. About these all is the sub tools. Okay, because these all option you can see inside also tool section. You can see this one. Okay, you got, I hope you understand. Okay, so you can see that before clicking table press you can see only table press, but after clicking table press you can see inside these all tool sections these one also sub tools. Okay, I hope you understand. So basically be careful when you installing your plugin. So before installing plugin you need to understand that which plugin is the best and which plugin is you can use for your project. Okay, I hope you understand this one. And if you have any doubts related from these tools or these objects or any plugins, then you can comment me on this comment box, below comment box, and I will reply you as soon as possible. Okay, so I hope you enjoy this video, and you need to share this video from everyone, that if anybody want to create the project inside WordPress. So firstly it's most important that you need to understand that how to use tools, how to handle tools of WordPress WP admin. If you don't know that what is the tools, what is the relation between tools and plugin, tools and themes, then you can't use it. Okay, because you need to, when you understand this all tools and plugin and everything are related from this WordPress, then you can play with your WordPress website. It's most beautiful. Okay, so I hope you understand and you enjoy this video. So tata, bye bye guys, see you soon.